Okay, so I always like to grab the hair from right where the ear is and going forward, and I like to just over direct that hair going forward and make sure it's really like smooth and tight there. And I'm gonna come in at a like horizontal angle and just focus more of the heat right up at the root area, and I'm always shimmying it down. And once that sits there, I'm letting that top curl out, shimmying it down, leaving a little bit of the hair through there, and I'm just gonna drag the remainder through the ends. And that gives it more of that straight look, but also smoothing that frizz out that most people have in their hair. And then you let that just cool. Then the next piece, and the more kind of messier, I guess, the sections, the better. Like if it's too perfect, it's gonna look like you're about to go to a gala. And that's just mostly not the look we're going for.
That section, because you can really see that triangle of out.
Yep.
And it's just that dimension right in there.
Yep.
It's gonna pop through.
So kind of working our way down, leaving that piece out and just letting that kind of drag through. The next piece here, I'm gonna take a little bit of that one out. This one, I'm gonna go towards the face. It's a good idea to alternate the direction of your curl to just give it more definition, and they aren't gonna just all turn into one big curl. So this one's gonna go towards the face, letting that shimmy down, and then dragging that last little bit through. And then I'm gonna take our next section back here, just kind of grabbing as you go. So this piece, again, always making it like tight and smooth. So more of at an angle. Dragging it down and then pulling that through. Okay. I'm gonna section just our little top piece. Okay, so for the bang area, this is where it's kind of different. I want to, again, pick like a piece that it's like pretty much all the same length. Otherwise, all the hairs are gonna fall out as you're curling. So it's better to just find pieces that are the same length. So over directing this way, coming in, hitting it right up at that root. You wanna focus more of the volume right at the root versus the ends. Letting that out, dragging it down, not letting it sit in for very long, and then dragging that piece out. And I like to kind of pull down. So let that sit and cool down. All the ones by the face also are going to be going away from the face.